Yes, good morning students. Today we will discuss calculation of cost of consumable goods. What are consumable goods? We are treating the treatment of consumable goods in non-profit organizations, not for profit organizations. What are consumable goods? Consumable goods which we consume, for example, medicine, sports material, postage, stationery, etc. How we will treat it in the question? I have just combined all the treatment in a single point so that there is not any problem. You have to write the cost of consumable goods in income and expenditure account, expenditure side, because it is a nominal account, so debit all the expenses. How we can consume anything? We can calculate the balance of consumed anything. For example, stationery consumed or sports material consumed. Payment made. Payment is given in recipient payment account, payment side. So all of us write the payment. Then less creditors in the beginning. Less creditors in the beginning. As I told you that every adjustment has two treatment. So opening creditor will be transferred as liability side of opening balance sheet. Second is creditors at the end. They should be added. They should be added and they will be recorded in liability side of closing balance sheet. Third, if opening stock is there or opening value is there, stock and value are same things, so they will be added. Keep it in mind, opening creditors less but opening stock add. So opening balances is shown in asset side. Closing stock or closing value will be deducted, will be less and shown in asset side of closing balance sheet. One more thing can be there, advance payment of expenses. So if advance of last year means it is related to current year, so it should be added. So it should be added and write as asset side of opening balance sheet. And if advance of current year, then it is related to next year, so it should be less and shown as closing balance sheet asset side as a prepaid expenses. If purchase is there, then it should be added, and if sale is there, then it should be deducted. After this we will get the consumed balance. After this we will get the consumed balance. I just tried that your each and every concept related to consumable goods should be clear to you. Now I have an example so that it is quite clear. In example number 25, we have example number 25 in DK Goyal. Calculate the amount of sports material to be transferred to income and expenditure account. Sports material sold 50,000 for 56,000. We have sold value, so it should be less. And there is a profit of 6,000. It should be shown as income side. Amount paid to creditors. We will start from payment paid. So amount paid is 91,000. Next, cash purchase. As I told you, purchase should be added. So cash purchase 40,000 will be added. Stock of sports material. Opening stock is there, so opening stock should be added 50,000. Stock of sports material on 2018. It's closing stock, so it should be deducted 55,000. Creditors for sports material. Opening creditors, so it should be less 37,000. And closing creditors are 45,000 and they are added. And what about their double treatment? Opening creditors, opening balance sheet liability. Closing creditors, closing liability. Opening stock, opening asset. Closing stock, closing asset. Opening means last year balance sheet and closing means current year balance sheet. So I hope it is clear. At the end we will get the consumed balance, that is 84,000. Thank you.